Well, we have made it. It is really here. iPhone 13 day. All the different iPhones, all the different variations are waiting for me. Whew, we got our day's work cut out for us. First stop, Apple.
Catching my breath, my heart's beating louder. Adrenaline rush, swimming sharks in the water. Driving with a GPS off. Crazy, but I can't get it in. I want you to give me your words. Hit me right where it hurts. Jumping in.
We are back in the studio and we have secured our iPhone 13 Pro Max. This thing looks amazing. I got to touch one in the store, but without further ado, let's get into the goodies. iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a mammoth of a device. Just to give you an idea, it is just about the identical size of its little brother, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. I don't know if we would call that the little brother, but here's the 12 Pro Max for a size comparison right there. We'll put that up next to each other side by side in just a minute. But notice we have no plastic on the outside anymore, which I'm kind of in major favor of. I enjoy ripping these off. The unboxing knife is going to get retired pretty soon here. So the iPhone box, super slim. We like that. No charging brick. Whew! This is a pretty color. This is absolutely gorgeous. This device, let's not waste any time, flip it over. Here we go. We've seen this before, nothing new. And now we've got our power buttons, our other buttons, our silencer, and now we just peel this guy off like so, and we have a beautifully unboxed iPhone 13 Pro Max. Now what I will share with you is I kind of like the difference in it's definitely thicker. You can look and see this device is thicker than its little brother, the 12 Pro Max. Not by much, but putting it up side by side, I don't know if it's thicker or not, to be honest with you. I guess we'll have to rely on the measurements. So here is our wonderful iPhone 13 Pro Max. Firing it up right away. I didn't press any buttons. I just took that off of there and this thing came on all by itself. So here we go. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. The only goodies we get these days is a power cord, a Lightning to USB-C, and I'm sure we get some paperwork. What we do with this, I don't know. I think if Apple really truly wanted to eliminate, they would find a better way of delivering these little papers to us. But this is the whole entire device. This is the unboxing experience. The iPhone 13 Pro Max. What I can tell you, size matters when it comes to a smartphone. If you need a bigger phone, this is the one for you. Go ahead and just take a little tour of the actual device. It is confirmed these sides are a fingerprint magnet, but that's okay. We're probably going to put a case on it. Here we have both devices side by side. 12 Pro Max, 13 Pro Max, the new Mac Daddy of the iPhones. I have been using an iPhone 12 Pro and I'm going to jump to a Pro Max for my daily iPhone driver, and I'm kind of excited about it, but I have enjoyed the smaller form factor. It is an iPhone. The size is great. I think this is almost the perfect size for an iPhone, so I'm really, really happy about that. And this is it. This is what we've been waiting for. So I'm really excited to dive into the Pro Motion display and see what that looks like, see what that feels like. That's something that's a little new in the palm of my hand. Usually I had to get that on my iPad. Now I can have it in my hand. Guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to watch my other iPhone 13 videos that are somewhere all over the screen. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.